Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android head unit for Suzuki Jimny 2018 to 2020 years. Okay, let me show it. This is special harness and here's some parts. This is head unit. You can check front panel. Okay, let me show head unit. Show harness exposed. Okay, you can check this special harness for Suzuki Jimny. Jimny power cable Jimny. Okay, this factory adapter camera input. Factory camera adapter. Okay. And this connector, this radio antenna. Okay, and this connects to back of head unit. This install parts and these screws and install parts. You can check. This right and this left. Okay. And this remote controller. This two USB cable and the external microphone. This connect to back of head unit. This AUX input left and right. Okay, and this camera input. This GPS antenna. This AUX cable connect to back of head unit. This AUX input left and right, and the video input RC type. This audio cable connect to back, and this subwoofer RC type. This video out 1 and video 2, and this video out left and right, front and rear. Okay, let me show the unit. It's real plug and play. Okay, you can check. This back of head unit, this power, this fuse, this GPS, this audio, camera and AUX cable. This radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, let me connect power cable. I'm back at the unit. This connection. Connect power. You can check Android 10 system. Okay, this Android 10 system, you can check. Okay. Please take out this screw protector before using. Or if like here, and you can change the setting, change the language. And you also can add a language in here. All language already built in. So many new language you can check. Okay, when you back to home, it change the English. It's reset home, microphone and volume button and IR. It's radio. Search the radio station and the DSP amplifier. Sound field, subwoofer, and built-in place Google Maps, and this speed play for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay speed play. Okay, plug and play speed play for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Play Store, you can download the applications from Play Store. It supports YouTube, you can watch video. Okay, let me check the settings with music. PX5 is Android 10 system, you can check. Okay. And storage, you can check total 64 GB. 64 GB storage. Okay. Network, it supports Wi-Fi and 4G hotspot from your phone. Car settings, personal settings, you can LED settings, change this button color with gray, blue, any color you can adjust in this panel. Okay, let me choose red. And navigation settings, drum settings, reserve volume, watch video, and other settings. This is for steering wheel controls settings. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.